Hey Mike, my name is Josh Betzel, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You're most likely sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, hey, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time and mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Content is important to have on your website. And of course, you don't have a website yet. All right. So what I can really compare it to is your competition, which is Brothers Gutters. Brothers Gutters is your competition because of this. When people search in gutter installation Jacksonville, Florida into the search bar, they are the first organic business website to pop up. Okay, Yelp is there because they're a directory website, but Brothers Gutters is the first organic search, and I'll show you why here in a second. All right, when I go to their word counter and plug in their homepage words, they only have about 234 words. All right, they need more. All right, so when you're building your website, you need to have 1,500 to probably 2,000 words on your homepage. And basically it works because Google sends out robots, and these robots crawl through content, and the more content you have, the more they crawl, and the more they crawl, the more keywords they search for and they see. And when I'm talking about keywords, I'm talking about this. So when I typed in Brothers Gutters into Keywords Everywhere is a phenomenal SEO tool I use. Runs about $10 every couple of months, and it shows you the volume of searches per month. So the keywords they're ranking for and their content they have is Gutters, Jacksonville, Florida. They're ranked number 1, and they have 480 searches a month. So 480 people are searching for gutter services, and they're getting automatically referred to with Google by Brothers Gutters because they're ranking for that keyword. Gutter installation, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 1, 480 searches. Gutter repair, Jacksonville, Florida, they're ranked number 2, 70 searches a month. Jacksonville Gutters, they're ranked number 3, 210 searches a month. Gutters, Jacksonville, they're ranked number 1, 210 searches a month. So when you're building your website, you really need to implement these keywords to be seen, okay? The second thing I want to go over is citations, okay? When I'm talking about citations, I'm talking about this map pack. But let's first go over just how this whole first page is laid out in Google, okay? First, we see ads. Ads are good, but studies show that ads are only semi-effective, and they could definitely become a money pit if they're not used correctly. And like I said, the next thing we see is the map pack, Google My Business, all right? How people are ranked into this Google map pack is by citations. So now you're asking, how do I rank in these citations? How do I rank in these maps? Well, what I use is a tool called Local Citation Finder. It's by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. Runs you around 30 to 70 bucks a month based on your plans, but we could see that your site has about 4 citations, okay? Your competition site has 19 citations. So when we click into this map pack, we see leave it to us. You are on the first page. You're on the first page of the map pack, which is awesome. But we really want you to be at this top 3, okay? If you're at this top 3, you could be losing eyes when people search for gutter installation Jacksonville, Florida, or when people search for gutters Jacksonville, Florida. You could be losing eyes not being in that top 3. All right, and how these citations are really done is through this thing called NAP. We call it NAP, name, address, and phone number. All right, the last thing I want to go over is a thing called backlinks. And when I'm talking about backlinks, I'm talking about link juice. And since you don't have a website, I can't compare yours to your competition, so I'll just bring up your competition, which is Brothers Gutters. So backlinks and referring domains are the key to ranking your website once it's already built. If to do this, I would definitely get this tool, Ahrefs. Runs roughly around 180 bucks a month. It's very, very useful. I use it every single day. Well, because I am a digital marketer. These referring domains are extremely important to rank your website, like I said before, and this link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website, therefore LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a, let's say LinkedIn, if you have a LinkedIn linking back at you, that's going to be way more effective than Pizza Hut linking back at you, because, hey, you don't sling pizzas, you sling gutter installations, all right? So it's just not relative enough for Google to see it as organic to rank you, all right? And that's pretty much it. Those are the 3 things I want to go over for your free attack plan so far. So just to go back over, the first thing we went over was content, which is keywords, okay? Your front page, you need at least 1,500 keywords on the front page and using those high volume keywords to be seen and ranked in Google. The second thing we went over was citations, okay? So you have 4 citations. You definitely need to implement some more. I would say 200 to 300 at least to beat your competition by a landslide, all right? If you do that, you will definitely be in the top 3 of the Google Map Pack and you'll get more eyes on you. The last thing I wanted to go over was link juice, all right? You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority, all right? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-901-6020. Again, my number is 904-901-6020. My name's Josh, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.